So we'll be continuing today the area under curve. So today we'll discuss some more questions on that. So if I have any doubt anywhere, will be cleared up. So let's start with a question. Find area bounded by the circle x square plus y square equals to 4 and x axis and above to it. Okay, I think I had given you the equation of the circle. Now look at here. So you are finding x square plus y square equals to 2 square. That means this is a circle whose center is 0, 0. Radius is 2. Radius is 2 means this is your 2 units. That means this point will be 2, 0. This is your x axis, this is your y axis, x dash and y dash. And you want to close it with x axis, means not with y. Y axis closes this side. X axis close is this side. That means you need to find this part. You need to find this portion. Why this portion? Now it is above x axis, means you have two parts above x axis. So you will take a small region. This is your dx, this is your y. Okay, that is how you solve or So what is your limit? Limit will be 0 to 2 because this is a symmetrical figure. Symmetrical figure means this is 0 to 2. 0 to 2 y dx, but 2 times y 2 times because there are two parts above x axis. So you can write required area A equals to 0 to 2 times y dx. Because when it is closed with x axis, you have to take y dx. What is the meaning of y dx? Now y you have to find from here. So let's find out. So that will be x square plus y square equals to 2 square. So y square equals to 2 square minus x square. So y equals to root over of 2 square minus x square. So let's put here a 2 times 0 to 2 square minus x square. I think in the last class I told you this is related to formula a square minus x square. So every time you will not write the formula, we will remember it. That is x into integral by 2 plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a 0 to 2. X minus integrand by 2 a square by 2 square by 2 sine inverse x by a means 2. Now you put 2 in all the x. What will you get? So that will be 2 times 2 root over of 2 square minus 2 square by 2 plus 4 by 2 sine inverse 2 by 2 minus 0 put करो 0 root over of 2 square minus 0 square by 2 plus 4 by 2 sine inverse 0 by 2. Okay, so 2 times 2 square minus 2 square 0, that means this part became 0. plus 4 by 2, that is 2 sine inverse 1, minus 0, 2 sine inverse 0, that is 2 sine inverse 1 is pi by 2 minus 0 plus 2 into 0, because sine inverse 0 is 0. So 2 cancel, that is 2 pi square unit. Okay, let's proceed. A textbook question now. You got the idea how to solve. Suppose there is a question, find area of the region in the first quadrant. Find area of the region in the first quadrant and enclosed by, no need to write any, enclosed by x-axis, then and the line x is equal to root 3y. Okay, this is very interesting to see here. Find area of the region. What is your question actually? Find and the circle x square plus y square equals to 2. Okay, let's see now. This we know. This is try to understand. This is something different. This is x square plus y square equals to 2 square. This is our solution. So radius is 2 means this point is 2, 0. The first quadrant, that means you will find out here enclosed by the line x is equal to root 3y. ये एक line, how is this line, where it is going, that you have to see. Look at this table here. For x, y, because right side is 0, right side is y, this is x is equal to root 3y. Put y equals to 0. If you put y is equal to 0, then this will be x will be root 3 into 0 is 0. Put y is equal to root 3. Root 3 means 1.7. The x will be root 3 into root 3 will be 3. That will help us to find a line. See, this is your 1 unit. This is your 2 units. Then this is your 3 units. First 0, 0 is the point. This is 1. 0, 0 is the point. 0, 0 means this. Root 3. Root 3 is after 1. This is 1 means after, suppose is somewhere here root 3. I hope you can say. This is a point after 1, between 1 and 2 between is root 3. Point is 3. Means this point. That means I got a line like this. This is x equals to root 3y. Okay, let me rub it. Then it will make you clear everything. Once more, you can see it very nicely. 0, 1, 2. Between root 3. So y is root 3, x is 3. I think I have drawn ulta here. Ulta. Let's make it big circle. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay. Now it is 3 root 3 actually. 0, 0, 3 root 3. X is 3, y is root 3. Root 3 is here. Between this. That means this point. So I have to join it to get x is equal to root 3y. Got the point? Now you are asked to find this region. How to find? Because you want to find it with x-axis. So now the line and circle, they are meeting at a point. Meeting at a point. What my point? So what? Now look at here. This if I draw it again, this will be clear to you. Suppose there is a line drawn. Now if I draw from the common point a perpendicular, you will find two parts. Part 1, part 2. Part 1 you see here, ये जो area है, this is bounded by the line. So the line is closing the area with x-axis. फिर this point to this point, this is closed by the circle. इसमें line नहीं आ रहा है, because line is over here. From here, look at this point to this point, it is bounded by circle. This region you see. This region is bounded by circle, this region is bounded by line. So you have two parts. Then if this is which point? That is your question. This is 0, this is 2. But this is which point where the line is having a limit. The line limit will be 0 to this point. Circle limit will be 0 to 2. No, sorry, this point to 2. So that is there. That means our question is, what is the limiting point of, what is the value of x in this point? So to find that, what you have to do is solve it. Solving x square plus y square equals to 4 and x is equal to root 3y. Put here root 3y square plus y square equals to 4, 3y square plus y square equals to 4, so 4y square equals to 4, y square is 4, y square is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Negative I will not take because you are in the first quadrant. That means, hello. 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 So how to solve then? Y equals to 1. Y equals to 1 you put here. Therefore, x is equal to root 3y. X is equal to root 3 into 1. X is equal to root 3. That means the point you got is root 3 and 1. This point is root 3 1. That means this is your root 3 value. This is your root 3 value. Okay. So now let's solve here. 0 to root 3 bounded by line, root 3 to 2 bounded by circle. So required area is zero to root 3 लाइन का y dx प्लस रूट 3 to 2 सर्कल का y dx. Mean this part is line, this part is circle. Okay, so let's solve. I equals to I1 plus I2. Hello? Huh? Hello? हाँ. So let's find out y1. Zero to root 3 लाइन का y dx. तो 0 to root 3 लाइन क्या है? x इक्वल्स टू रूट 3y, तो y इक्वल्स टू x by root 3. So x by root 3 dx. So solve it. How much will get? Now that is 1 by root 3 out. X square by 2. 0 to root 3. So 1 by root 3. This is root 3 square by 2 minus 0 by 2. 0 square by 2. 1 by root 3. This is root 3 into root 3 by 2. 1 root 3 cancelled, that is root 3 by 2. This is I1. Okay, let's see what is I2. I2 will be root 3 to 2 circle का y dx. That means x square plus y square is 2 square. So y square is 2 square minus x square. Y equals to 2 square minus x square root over. So put the value. How much will get? Just now we had solved this kind of question. So that will be root 3 to 2. 2 square minus x square by dx. That will give you x into root over of 2 square minus x square by 2 plus 2 square by 2 sin inverse x by 2. 0 to 2. That is 2 root over of 2 square minus 2 square by 2 plus 4 by 2 sin inverse 2 by 2. Okay, then minus this is root 3. Root 3 root over of 2 square minus root 3 square by 2 plus 4 by 2 sin inverse root 3 by 2. Okay, let's calculate how much you are going to get in this. So that will give you 2 into 0 plus this is 2. 2 sin inverse 1. First part minus root 3 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 by 2 plus 2 sine inverse root 3 by 2. So that is 0. 2 into pi by 2 minus root 3 by 2 minus 2 into 630 degree, pi by 3. Okay, so you got pi minus 2 pi by 3, this 2. 3 pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2. Okay, that means our I will be I1 plus I2. What is I1? I1 was root 3 by 2. This is pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2. Let's cancel. So pi by 3 square unit. Okay. Okay, let's take another question, similar question. Find area of the region bounded by the parabola find area of the region bounded by the parabola y equals to x square and the line y equals to mod x. This question has come several times. This carries 6 marks. Only the concept should be clear. Okay, look at here. Y equals to x square is something y, that is a parabolic curve like this. Okay. Suppose this is 0, but what you should do is, because you will find the equation for this, better to take some points and put it. That means point will be like this. Now, if I put y equals to 0, x will be 0, put y is equal to 1, x square is 1, x is plus minus 1. Y is 4 plus minus 2. This will help us to find out. Okay, because when y is equal to 4, x square is 4 means x is plus minus. This is your y, this is your x. Okay, what about y equals to mod x? Y equals to mod x. Mod x you have to define. That is x when x is greater than equal to 0, minus x when x is less than 0. Okay, that means y has two values, y equals to x, y equals to minus x. What is the equation? Y equals to x and all the values greater than 0 means 0, 1, 2 like this you have to take greater than values. So when x is 0, y 0, 1, 2, then y equals to minus x. Zero is a common point, 0 they can take. Less than 0 means minus 1. If you put minus 1 here, minus minus will be plus 1. If you put minus 2 here, that will be plus 2. Okay, then Let's plot. Plotting, see carefully. Look at this, x0, y0. Let's take the points 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 0, 0. Okay? 0, 0, this point, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, but minus 1, plus 1. So, minus 1, plus 1. Okay? Then 2, 4, 2, 4, minus 2, 4. When decrease 2, it is a curve. So, you have to draw a curve like this. Okay. Now the question is, what about this line? 0, 0, 1, 1. 1, 1 is common point. Look at 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. So you are getting a line like this. This is common point 1, 1. Then you are finding 0, 0, minus 1, 1, minus 2, 2. Another line you are finding like this. This is minus 1, 1. Now you want to find this region. So what I will do is, I will copy this picture and will make you clear. The graph is now like this. It's a better way to understand. There is a curve like this. There is a line going like this. This point is 1, 1. This is our situation. Between line and curve is this part. Then this point, another line has gone. This point is minus 1, 1, and this is the area you want to find out. This is minus 1, this is your common point you have got. So no need to solve it. That means what you need is, you have to find an area. So look at here, upper one is line. Line ka area is total. This also you have to understand. Look at here. I hope you can see. If there is a line, its area is this one. Okay? When there is a curve with x-axis, you are talking. Try to understand. Curve with x-axis means this region. That means is a tick mark region. This is for the curve. This region, total is line. So from the total, if you minus this tick region with curve, you will find area between the region. Once more you see, this is a line. Line means this total area. Total means I can say 1 and 2. 1 and 2 is the area of line. Only 2 is the area of a curve. Curve means this part with x-axis, not that side, because you are taking curve with x-axis. So 1 and 2 say 2 if you make minus, that is the area between line and curve. Got the point? Now this side also same symmetrical figures, because parabola is symmetrical, modulus function is symmetrical. So you find this part, multiply by 2. Okay? So you can write down since y equals to mod x and y equals to x square are symmetrical functions, then required area is zero to one. The curve we have sent 0 to 1 लाइन का y dx 2 times minus 0 to 1 कर्व का y dx. So 2 times 0 to 1. Remember this was y is equal to x as the curve. So y means x dx minus 0 to 1 curve y is equal to x square, because y value is x square. This is 2 times because symmetrical. Now you have to solve it. The solution will be x square by 2 0 to 1 x cube by 3 0 to 1. That is 2 times 1 square by 2 minus 0 square by 2 minus 1 cube by 3 minus 0 cube by 3. Okay, then what did you get? That is 2 times, this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 3. LCM is 2 times 6 is LCM, 3 minus 2, 2 into 1 by 6, so 1 by 3 square unit. Since this is bit difficult, I'll go slowly. Tomorrow we'll take bit longer class.